Good morning. I'm just packing the last few things and then I'm out the door for basically the whole day. So I picked this up for Lily because I'm seeing her today and Felice told me that this is her bias, 0-base 1. So I thought that that would be cute. I always love it when their face is on it. We're at the Xikers Cafe.
Je kan een signboard ook binnen.
Oh,
Wil dat?
door is over. We found the albums.
들리긴 하네. 제가 지금 진짜 낭만이 게 햇빛이 딱 완벽한 조명.
맞아, 그러니까요.
했군요. 두 번째잖아요. 버스킹은 4일이다. 발기 때 보여주니까 확실히 더 재밌네요.
맞아요.
네, 저희가 지금 열심히 활동 중이.
I made it to Gangnam and I'm at this screen where they're gonna show the Bangchan thing in a moment. In half an hour. I'm still waiting for Lily, but look how cool this looks. It's almost dark already. I'm not sure if this is like the nicest spot or right in front of it. I don't know if the side is gonna be important, you know? There's also a camera crew here, so maybe I should just stand where they are standing. I don't know.
Let's rock. It's the smallest hands. No. Oh my god, this is crazy. Yes.
You made me wanna be a boss gladiator, yeah. A Roman Empire, Roman Empire. When I kiss your fine,
Because yeah, now the conversion of we don't have a Korean number, you can enter.
Am I supposed to not cry here?
He needs a friend.
We're in the Glinda room. Oh, put him there
Hi,
together. Ah, so sweet. With the music. I'm back in the room, obviously. And it's already almost 4, but I just had to finish doing all the adjustments after I got feedback for the cafe event. So I think I got all the logistics down now, all the designs are final now, and then tomorrow evening I have a work evening and I'm gonna like order all the things that we need. And I also needed to do some reporting, like work-wise metrics, like it's Monday, you know, it's like metrics day where we share like reports on how stuff is going for multiple clients. So that's what I just did. I also wanted to edit tomorrow's vlog, but I'll have to do that in the evening because I'm going to sleep now because I have to wake up in like 5 hours, I think 5.5. So let's sleep. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Today was a really fun day. My legs are hurting though. I took some extra medication, so hopefully tomorrow, although walking will be fine. And I'm like excited for my work night because I feel behind on so many things and I haven't had any time. Like I'm constantly working till like 4. I'm so behind, so I'm excited to have like a work day, otherwise I can't finish everything. One of my friends is coming here tomorrow, like Korean time, so I'm very excited. She's only here for a few days, so hopefully I'll be able to like meet up with her. She always has a really busy schedule, so hopefully it all works out. But yeah, I'm gonna put everything on charge now. This camera, my power bank, my laptop was literally empty, my phone is about to die, it's 1%. I am 1%, like I'm so tired. See you tomorrow.